Hey guys, in this video we're making a moving vlog to New York, so let's get it into it. Oh my god, it's morning already and we are going to New York today. Yay! Okay, so hi, I'm Millie and she's Ellie. So this is my first video. So today in this video we are moving to New York and let's pack. Yeah, why we are waiting for? Let's pack. Yeah, let's pack. Okay, so first of all I'll take my suitcase and I'll open it and I'll put all my clothes in it, and let's put all my clothes in it. So let's put all my clothes in it. So the clothes that we are wearing is the pink one is mine and the blue one is Ellie's. So we're going to pack. So she's putting all her clothes, she's putting all her accessories, head accessories, and then I'll put everything in hand carry, and then the hand suitcase and the second hand carry. So yes. So the packing is done and I'll just close it and I'll put all our food accessories. Okay, so let's close it and let's take the hand carry, put the accessories that are left and everything. Yeah. I'm done packing it now, and now I'll take the hand carry and I'll put the ropes in. Yeah. No, I don't want to wear it. I want to put this. Now the black one, now the brown one, and the simple one. And now these are the masks and these are in this shell bag. Yeah. So we'll take this mat inside it, and now we'll take this small hand carry. So yeah, I don't know what it's called. So yeah, we'll put all our brush bag and we'll close it. Now we'll take the boxes. Now we'll put the makeup and we'll take the perfume, we'll take the blush, we'll take the and we'll take all our brushes and lipsticks and the and my headbands and the toilet paper and the scrub. We'll take the other bag and I'll put these snacks in it. And I'll put the card in it, and I will take the basket from the shelf. Now I'll put the snacks from the shelf. So the cocoa powder and the strawberry candy and the cereals. And why is it open? Really, why is it open? It's okay, but let's go back. You know, now we are heading to New York in 5 hours or 3 hours. Yeah. So I'll put these in it, and these plants are our childhood plants. So yeah, and this is Ellie's bag, and she has so many items in it. You can already see. And this is my bag, and it's empty. I'll put this hand carry in the lounge, and yeah. Now I'll wear my clothes. Yeah, I love this one so much. And I'll wear my clothes too. No, I don't want to wear it again. Let's put it in the hand carry. So I'll put this in the hand carry also, and then I'll close it, and then I'll call my friends. No, first I'll take my bag, school bag, and our normal bags. I have a flu, so it's okay. I'll call my friend to help us, and they have come. So she's Annie. Hi, I'm Annie. And she's Molly. Hi, I'm Molly. Okay, so please help us, Molly. Okay, I'll help you guys. Okay, so let's go to the door and let's get in the car. So yeah, let's get in the car. So we are in the car, and I'm sleepy right now, so I'm gonna sleep. Me too. It's night already, and we're not reached over there. Oh my god, we're reached, guys. Guys, wake up. We're reached. You're reached? I'm so excited to see my new house. Oh my god. Yay. We're reached. Yay. Let's go in the house. Come on, guys. Yeah, I'm coming. Come on, Ellie and Millie. Yeah, I'll come. Yeah, wait for me. Okay, so let's go in the house and take the shell back also. OMG. Oh my god. This is so aesthetic. Oh my god, I love it. There are tables attached with her bed. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh my god, I love it. pups and my cat and my parrot. Do you love this house? Oh my god, I literally love this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love your house so much. Yeah, me too. So let's decorate it. Yeah, let's decorate it. Thank you guys. So yeah, let's decorate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so bye.